Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Thursday, and we have some sales to go over, and I'm going to turn it over to Kathy so we can get picking those sales.
Hey, friends. I did want to thank a few of you guys for buying us some coffees. Teresa bought us a coffee. She said, I love you guys. I've learned so much from your videos. Thanks for developing the amazing spreadsheet.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, Teresa.
Thank you, Teresa, for that support.
Brittany and JR bought us 3 coffees. They said, hi, we're a husband and wife reselling team also.
Nice.
We've learned so much from the both of you. We love your channel as well as the amazing spreadsheet. Thanks for all you do. Thank you,
Awesome.
guys.
Thank you so much for the support.
It's fun seeing other couple resellers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I'd call Chris a reseller, but we are definitely a team. I could not do it without him.
Definitely.
This person, it doesn't say their name. It says Holly Thrifts, like Hall, like a thrift hall.
Oh,
with
okay.
a Y.
H-A-U-L, okay.
Yeah, thrift. So, you know who you are. Thank you so much. You bought us 4 copies and wrote new subscriber. Also downloaded the spreadsheet. Thank you so much for all the hard work you put into sharing with us.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And then Mary bought us a copy and said, thank you for sharing so openly. You gave me the courage I needed to get started.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
Thank you, Mary.
Mary, thank you so much for the support.
Congrats on getting started. That's the hardest part.
Yes, the first step is the hardest. The second hardest is shipping, right?
Yeah. All right, sales today. So we showed you guys the Timberlands yesterday. He did pay shortly after, we left to take stuff to the post office, but I didn't ship, obviously. So I got those shipped out today. Again, the buyer paid $100 plus shipping. I only paid $29 for the boots, so really good deal there.
Very good sale. And that wraps up that little retail arbitrage.
And that was a perfect little box for it.
Yeah.
This is just one I found in our closet. They fit nicely just standing straight up. I will, put some plastic around them or something.
Yeah. We use cellophane bags. We have them here. We do have links for these in our descriptions, but you'll probably see us pulling all of our stuff that have those bags. And we do wrap everything that we can with those just for some protection.
These are size 15, so we'd have to do probably 2 per each, but I might just do big polys on these.
Yeah, in the case that they don't fit in the ones we have, we do have large poly mailers that we use in place of that.
And you'll see I did cut some tabs here because this was just right under 5 pounds. Before I add the extra poly, which I know I need to add because I don't want Timberlands when they get wetter, even though they're waterproof, it just leaves like a spot.
Yeah.
I want that to happen to $100 boots, so definitely gonna wrap them. But yeah, if I added the paper or the plastic without cutting these, it would have been just over 5 pounds, and I only paid for 5 pounds. So
yeah, that's a great, easy, simple way to lower your weight. If you're right on that threshold, you can cut a couple tabs.
2 little tabs were like 2 full ounces off. Yeah. It brought it down to like 14.4. 4.14 ounces.
Oh,
4 pounds, 14 ounces.
Okay. Just make sure you do leave a little bit. You see she left about 2 inches there. Leave something because that does keep the box rigid and square. So.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right. Reese, he was here like the whole day.
He was dead asleep. Pulled out the camera and he's like, oh.
He knows
I'm getting it. Oh, well. He's a stinker.
Not getting tummy rub.
See how he lifted his paw? He's like, you got to give me a tummy rub.
Easy, go boy. All right, we sold some Sorel boots. Got some really good sales in the last 24 hours. So these, we mentioned I was going to go outsourcing, which I did, and I had a good time. And it's always fun to make sales while I'm out. So most of these sales did come in last night.
Yeah.
It makes it feel like it's all worth it when you're making sales while sourcing, which is the fun part.
Yeah.
Yeah, these I picked up last week at a local thrift for $16.99, and I sold them on Posh for $85.
Wow.
So that was an offer I accepted. I did list them high at $125. I expected between $80 to $100, so $85 I was very happy to accept.
Yeah, amazing sale.
Those are Poshmark. We probably put them in a large flat rate. Do you remember where we put those?
I think I have some over here, actually. Yep, large flat rate.
Awesome. And then this is a viewer sale going out to Zach. He actually bought 4 items from us. Thank you so much, Zach.
Yeah, thanks, Zach.
All right, let's pull them. Let's start over here. So AW. I'll tell you about them all at the end. DH. So here while I'm here. All right. Okay. So Zach's grabbed 2 like golf type polos from us. One Under Armour, one Nike.
Okay.
This Wrangler like Sherpa kind of a shirt, jacket, flannel. And then the little Pyrex dish that we got from Destiny's collaboration.
Oh yeah.
What was that? Scavenger hunt kind of swap box. So if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. That was a fun thing that we did.
Yeah, it was a fun little video.
Yeah, so Zach bought these 4 items for $88.51 plus shipping. So like this shirt was Chris's. This shirt I bought for Chris just last week from a Instagram friend off Poshmark, and I think it made him too like hot. Like he didn't like it, so I just resold it. I like it. I almost kept it for myself. But yeah, so that, and then this Nike one I just thrifted last week, I believe, for $5.99. And then again, that was from Destiny. So we're pretty much in the profit now, like
from the deal. Yeah.
So basically, I took what I paid for all the stuff I sent to her, divided it up. And yeah, so we're profitable on that, which it wasn't really about profit. It was kind of about doing a
fun little collaboration.
Yeah, so I'll call that $0 into the Pyrex, $5.99. Even the one that was Chris's shirt was a thrifted, I would say $5.99 at the most. And then this I had about $21 into. So yeah, I had about $34 in everything. Zach bought it for $88.51 plus shipping, I guess.
Awesome.
So thank you so much, Zach.
Zach, we appreciate your support.
Those should all fit nicely right in one of these 13 by 13 by 9s.
Sweet.
All right. Let's see if we can make it through the rest of the sales without that tipping over.
Yeah, my guess is no.
No. Yeah. All right, another bundle sale. This was on Kitizen. They didn't say anything, but I feel like they bought from us before, and I feel like they might be a viewer. It doesn't say their name, though. It says their shop name. So if you're a viewer, thank you so much. You'll know who you are. All right. So they bought these Adidas. They're called the Ghosted Turf Cleats for soccer. And DE. This cute little panda shirt. This is by the brand Rock Your Kid. I don't think I've ever found this thrifting. This was my son's shirt. But if you do find it, it's a good brand for kids stuff. If you find it for $1 or $2. I bought this for $18 off Kitizen, and then this buyer paid $52.20 free shipping for both. So I had $5.99 into the cleat. So I'm still making some profit. Like if I had sold this shirt by itself, I would have lost money because, well, my kid stained it, and I also paid $18 originally for it. So yeah. So anyhow, those are going out in a padded flat rate. So the shipping on that. So I do free shipping on Kitizen, but so out of the $52.20, $8.55 is going towards the shipping label. So yeah. All right, another viewer sale. You guys are too good to me. AY. This one just came in before we started recording. Some Hoka sneakers. I have $12.99 into these, and our viewer Jen offered me $65. I was happy to accept. Thank you so much, Jen. She said she's an educator out in Los Angeles, but she's also a reseller on the side.
Awesome.
And yeah, so thank you so much, Jen.
Jen, thank you so much for the support.
Being an educator.
Yeah, that's a service, and it's greatly needed and appreciated.
All right. DI. These took longer to sell than I expected, but sold for a good amount. So these are Allen Edmonds, but they're called like AE by Allen Edmonds. So I believe it's like just a lower end line, because Allen Edmonds are really expensive shoes, like $400.
Yeah.
I think these are probably like half of that, maybe even a little less. But I bought them for $7. They're in like perfect condition. So I listed them originally, I think around $59 plus ship. I did turn on best offer since they've been listed a while. Got an offer for $40. So
nice.
7 into 40. Nice little sale. I don't want to bonk this because it might fall, so I gotta go this way.
I don't want to back up on the Reese-meister.
Right, so
don't want to disrupt his sleep.
Just go out in a shoebox. Is that cheating? Oh no! Oh no! All right. And then those for Jen will also go out in a shoebox. Alrighty. AJ. Reese. I just want to pet him every time I look at him.
I know.
Alright, these are the brand Key Imperial. I've sold these a few times now, not this specific pair, this brand of overalls. So I keep picking them up when I find them, which is kind of fairly often.
Yeah.
So I picked this pair up for $10.99, sold it on Facebook for $35 plus shipping.
It's funny, I remember sourcing that day, and I came across those, and I passed on them.
I think this is a different pair, but yeah, so I do... The other pair is called like Big Ben or something. That's the one.
Oh, was it those? Yeah.
Yeah, so those ones I have for sale. I just listed those ones. But yeah, any denim overalls for men right now seem to be doing really well.
Yeah.
I've sold Dickies, Key Imperial, maybe even a Carhartt pair. So pretty much just any denim overalls are just like...
And the bigger the better? Is it?
I think any.
Yeah, any?
I think those are only like a 36 maybe. So
okay.
36, so not too big. All right, top shelf, LL Bean snow boots. There they are. These guys picked up for $12.99. I listed them for $68, I believe, on Posh. Got an offer of $57. I was very happy to accept. Poshmark. I think a large flat rate on that again. They're already.
Yeah, I'll grab it over here. We still have not ordered our regional beef fats. We need to put that order in soon.
Why is that so hard?
I don't know.
Like
it's
to just do what we said we gotta do.
Just doing something when you think of it. Obviously, we're not going to do it while we're recording, but
well, like every time I'm like, okay, this is what I'm about to do, and then I like think of something else I need to do instead.
Oh, that reminds me. I have 400 other to-do things.
Oh, by the way. Just because people always like say, oh, I saw that in your video where I haven't seen it listed. Those are my Rockies that I just got for myself, so
yeah, they
won't be for sale.
For one of your Christmas gifts
to myself.
To yourself. Yeah. Since, I don't know what Rothy's you like.
Well, Chris's mom always gives us like just cash for Christmas, so I always just buy myself something I normally would not buy myself with my own money. And I've always wanted a pair of Rockies, so now I have one.
You're so spoiled. Let me. I'm just kidding.
I have 3 pairs of shoes now. Just kidding. Well, technically, I have like 800 pairs of shoes, but all right. These ones sold for $40. They're the brand Asics Onitsuka Tiger. $40. I had $5.99 into them, so really good sale. That was an offer on Posh that I accepted. And for fear of knocking this over, those will just ship out in a shoebox.
Yeah.
All right, and last sale, also top shelf. Just listed a couple days ago. These cool Haan, $0 leather hiking boots. Well, they're called the hiker, but I feel like they're not. They don't really have like legit tread for hiking.
Right.
So I think they're just called the hiker because they look like a hiking boot. But
gotcha.
I probably wouldn't hike in these, but they're cute boots. So, yeah, so I don't remember what I listed them at. Maybe $79, maybe even $89. They retail for like $170. Got an offer of $64 and I accepted, mostly because even though I probably could have got more in the like $75 to $80 range, they had a little dent on the toe.
Yeah, you can kind of see.
Which I don't remember. I feel like I kind of caused the dent by maybe taking too long to type them in. They were just like in a bag with a bunch of other shoes, and yeah, so anyhow, I was happy to accept $64. I actually got an eBay offer, not like I didn't have these on best offer yet because they were just listed, so he messaged me an offer like, will I take 40? And I had them listed at like 70 something, so I just said no thank you.
Yeah.
And then they sold the same night on Posh for $64, so
very nice.
yeah, those will probably ship out in a large flat rate box.
Sweet.
Yep.
So that's what we're gonna get packed up. We're gonna let Reese nap today. He's over here, he was moving in his sleep and mumbling, but we'll get the stuff packed up and we'll be right back. Did you enjoy your nap, Reese? Must be nice. Got everything all packed up. It's a major box day. Well, only one thing not in boxes today.
No cute polys.
No cute polys.
Sad day.
But makes a good stack, you know. Easy to stack the boxes.
We haven't been doing our stacks. We've been trying not to do our stacks, like mostly just
for the thumbnails.
Time. Yeah. Well, and I'm sure it gets boring to see the same thumbnail. But it takes like 5 minutes, you know, to set that all up. And 5 minutes, I can list an item. So.
Well, here, give me a smile, and I'll make this the picture.
I got a big goal this year, so.
Okay.
That was so cheesy.
That's the thumbnail. What's your big goal?
Hitting 100,000.
Yeah, sweet.
I can't be wasting 5 minutes doing stacking stuff for no reason at all, which I'm literally.
You're literally just stacking out of habit. Yes. Anyway, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. I'm going to head off and get the boys from school. Kathy's going to be getting some stuff listed tonight, and we have swimming lessons with the boys. So that's what we have going on this evening. And thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the amazing support from our viewers, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.